In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a glitch effect on text in Canva. This is a simple but powerful way to make your titles, thumbnails, or social media graphics stand out with an eye-catching digital style distortion. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have a design open. This could be anything: a YouTube thumbnail, a presentation slide, an Instagram post, or even a custom-sized canvas. Once your design is open, locate the text you want to apply the glitch effect to. If you haven't added any text yet, you can do that by choosing the text option on the left sidebar and adding a heading, subheading, or body text. Type in whatever you'd like your text to say, then click once directly on that text box so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around it. With your text selected, look toward the top of the Canva interface. You'll see a toolbar with options like font, size, color, alignment, and more. In that same bar, there's an option labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on Effects. This is where Canva groups all of its text styling tools such as shadows, outlines, and of course the glitch effect we're after. Once the effects panel opens, you'll see a variety of text styles displayed as small previews. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Glitch. Click on Glitch and you'll see your selected text instantly change to the glitch style. The letters will take on that distorted, offset look, often with multiple colors that mimic a digital error or old TV effect. After you apply the glitch effect, take a moment to fine-tune it. Depending on the current Canva interface, you may see additional controls under the glitch option, such as intensity, direction, or color variations. Adjust these sliders or settings to match the mood of your design. For example, a stronger intensity will make the effect more dramatic, while softer settings will keep it subtle and stylish. At this point, you can still change your font, size, and color, and the glitch effect will update automatically. Try pairing bold, blocky fonts with the glitch effect for a more striking look. Also, make sure your background contrasts well with your text, so the glitch details stay readable. When you're happy with the result, simply continue editing your design as usual or download it in your preferred format. That's all you need to do to create a glitch effect